up, PROIRONFISTGAMER here, back with another video. So, well, you might be here probably because of the title of the video or looking at the thumbnail. Well, what I'm gonna show you and what's written right there is actually true. I'm gonna really be showing you how do you make money. Well, not a lot of money like you become a millionaire, and not even that less money, but like a good amount of money. So let's get started. Well, the way I'm showing you is mining. Well, if you haven't heard of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, all these are cryptocurrencies which are like worth actual real world money if you don't know. And like the price of Bitcoin is just spiking up and up. Well, not that high, but like reaching a high of 19 grand. Well, that's a lot. And like yeah, so let's get started. Well, as you can see, I too mine myself, and I've made myself a good amount of money. Well, I'm not gonna disclose that, but then like less than $100. But yep, surely less than $100. Well, I don't mine regularly. Like my computer's not on 24/7. Like I just on it for 3 to 4, 5, 6 hours, and then I turn it off. That's the reason not a lot of profit, or else like making 100 plus is not that tough. Well, you also have to keep in mind your electrical charges if you have to pay. So I do mine, and I have a mining folder right here. So just click on this. I clicked on it, and like I have my wallet right here, Jack's wallet. It's a Bitcoin miner and my Ethereum miner, which is Claymore's dual miner. And like I can just start mining Ethereum right now. And if I do that, my computer is really gonna lag because it uses 100% of my GPU. And if you're wondering of my GPU, I have a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 graphics card, which is the 8 gigabit version, and like it's a really good graphic mining card. At the point of time right now, I do not recommend you mining Bitcoin because it's not going to be profitable at all, because like the price is too much and you won't be able to make a lot of units too, and you won't be able to get your payout too. And like if you don't get your payout, it's gonna be staying on the servers of the miner, and like if they get hacked, like how NiceHash got hacked, you might end up losing your money. That's how I lost my $30 to $40 on it. And like mine was a small loss, but people lost thousands of dollars on it. So I recommended you mine Ethereum. You'll reach your payout limit in a month, and like it comes on your wallet. So to start yourself up, go to this website nanopool.org. I'll have the link description below, and then click on quick start, which is right here, and then download start mining. And like not that, like quick start and download Claymore's dual miner, and then it should just start a download right here, which is like just 13 MB and like not much. And just the sound, I'm really sorry for the background noises. Well, there's some construction going on. So yeah, well, you can see right now one Ethereum is right now $967, while it was at the high of $1,000. And yeah, so once you're done with that, I'm just gonna stop this, cancel, I don't need that. And after that's done, you just have to extract it using WinRAR, and it should just be looking something like this Ethereum right here. Click on that, and well, this works only for NVIDIA graphics card. If you try mining Zcash and only Ethereum works over here for NVIDIA graphics card. If you have a AMD 1, 2, these all will work for you. I don't have any of the like a NVIDIA graphics card GTX 1070, so these all don't work for me except Ethereum. So that's the thing that I use. And it's gonna be looking something like this. And also go ahead and make a wallet for yourself. I use Jack's wallet. That's the best wallet. And like it's not the best wallet, but then like it's a really good wallet. Like, you know what it does, it helps you cash out your money, and like you can have all of your money on it. You can download on your phone, computer, PC, and like just click download, and yeah, and like it does that 70 MB right there, not a big file. And like it's gonna give you this address. Well, like address, it's gonna be having your Ethereum Bitcoin address. I can't show mine. Well, I have Ethereum right here. And like if you wanna add Ethereum wallet, go to wallets and just check this, and then like Ethereum should just be there. And I have Ethereum right here. And like you can even link your wallets on this if you have one. And well, you might be not able to see your wallet address. Just right click and it shows copy to clipboard right here, and you can't even see the amount that I have because I just wanted to keep private. And then go to Ethereum miner, and from here go down, scroll down all the way till you see start only ETH, and like right click on it. Right click and you're gonna be seeing edit, and over here after evolve, put your wallet address. This should be a wallet address, and then you can like keep a name of the miner, and you can also select a email ID on which you want to receive all like emails saying you that should it start, stop, and all this is going to be there before you can do anything. So yeah, and then just open this, and there will be some red thingy coming, and then when it shows you green like this, that means you're mining and you're making yourself some money. And if you wanna see how much profit that you're making a month, it's gonna be profitability calculator, and you get a hash rate, and that hash rate shows how much money you're gonna be making. Well, my hashing power is 32 of my graphics card, and I don't pay anything from like my electric charge cost. I don't pay for it, so like I'm almost gonna be making $90 a month. And this is just calculating the rate of today and not a usual rate, or else I would have been making way over $100 when the rate was 1,200. So if you found this video educational, helpful, make sure to toss a like, subscribe to my channel if you didn't, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.